Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our video series Game Development Using Unity. My name is Ajish Babu. So, in the previous videos, we discussed about some of the uh, major roles of the developers and designers, and we have discussed about the how we can make money with our games and how we can get into this gaming industry. So now let us discuss about some of the major platforms where we release the games. So today we are going to learn more about what is the virtual reality and the augmented reality platforms. So in the first couple of videos only, I have mentioned that we have different platforms where we can release the games, and they are PC, then we have the console devices, then mobile platforms, then we have the online platforms. So the method we use to develop the games for the different platforms, they differ in the development process. Okay, so it is not the same way that we develop the games for the online platforms and the games for the mobile platforms. The processors and the devices that we use to develop these games, that change according to the platforms which we use. So two of the major platforms that is upcoming. Okay, so that is not that popular like this console games or the mobile games right now, but they are upcoming. So, and in the future they will play a major role in the gaming platforms. Those are the virtual reality and augmented reality. So first let me tell you the difference between the virtual reality and augmented reality. So virtual reality is a technology where the user can fully immerse in a virtual world. Okay, so whenever we play a game right now, so we are not fully immersed into that environment. Okay, so when we are playing a mobile game, so when we are playing a mobile game, we are sitting somewhere, and we are playing the games on our platform or mobile devices. But if somebody enters our room, or we can see what is happening around us. Okay, in our real world, we can see our table, we can see our chair, and we can see the entire room. Okay, so that is the mobile platforms which we play the games usually. And if you are playing in a PC also, or we are playing in any console devices, we are not fully immersed in that world. We know what is happening in the real world, but in a virtual reality world, so the user totally gets immersed into that virtual world. He has no idea of what is happening in the outside world, real world. Okay, so that is the virtual reality platform. So to create and to play the games in virtual reality platforms, we need a virtual reality device. Okay, so that is required to play the games in virtual reality. And there are different types of this virtual reality devices are there. So earlier we used that is something that is connected to that PC, that is the that Oculus Rift. So that is some devices which we used. Then we have the the mobile devices that is attached to a virtual reality device, like a Samsung Gear VR. So in a Samsung Gear VR, you can see that is when we have a virtual reality device, and that is connected to the virtual reality device, and we can open that application in the mobile phone, and we can see we can watch that virtual reality application in that from that mobile phone which is connected to that device. Okay, so then we have the standalone devices where it is not connected to any outside device. That is the Oculus Quest is the one of the device that is very popular right now. So that is a virtual reality device which we very popularly used nowadays. So I have developed some of the applications in this Oculus Rift, and this Samsung Gear VR, then Oculus Quest. So this is the one device which you can see right here. So that is, it is a Oculus Quest 3. Okay, 3S. So that is the device which I have. So that is the earlier it has the Oculus Quest 1 was there. Then there was Oculus Quest 2. Now they have Oculus Quest 3 and Oculus Quest 3S. Okay, so Oculus Quest 2 and Oculus Quest 3S are almost similar. So now this is the Oculus Quest 3S is a very good device, and it is very affordable also. So if you are getting into virtual reality game development, you can use this. You don't have to go purchase the more expensive, that is Oculus Quest 3. So it is very good device. It is perfectly manageable to develop the games. So this is the virtual reality device, and this is a standalone device. You don't have to attach any mobile phone, or you don't have to attach to any PC. So it is everything is there in this device, and just like mobile phones, you can download the games into this device, and you can play those games. Okay, so some of the popular applications are that you have the roller coaster rides on the, which is very popular with the virtual reality devices, and so you have virtual reality. Then this is the where you can download the games from the store, and you can play those games. And this is you have to attach that like on your head, and you can play the game. And the mobile phones, how we use the controllers, that we use the touch screen itself to this you for the input devices. And in the for console devices, we have joysticks, and also there are different types of input devices are there. And when we are playing a PC game, we use the mouse to move, or we use the keyboard as the input devices. Here in this Oculus Quest 2, we have this controllers are there. Okay, so this is one controller, and we have two controllers for both the hands, and we can do this is just like it is a joystick. You can see there are joysticks, then buttons are there. Then this is the controller we use to move and to shoot. For everything we use this. So this is a standalone virtual reality device. Okay. So So, to create the virtual reality device, so the this development procedure is also a little bit different, but it is not as tough as the like in a previous a couple of years. Now it has become a little more easier to create these virtual reality applications that I will give you an idea in the coming videos. Okay, so that is how they have made it, the Unity has made it easier to develop the virtual reality applications. The same way we have the augmented reality. Okay, so I have discussed about the virtual reality, and so next let us go to augmented reality. Just like I mentioned, in a virtual reality, after putting on that headset, you lose all the touch with the real world. Okay, so that you get totally immersed in that virtual world. Now, but in augmented reality, you don't entirely lose the connection with the real world. So, in augmented reality, what they do is that they just superimpose or just place the digital object on the table or ground. Okay, so in the real life environment, they place the digital object. Okay, so if you have a table, okay, you have a table and you are sitting on a chair, and you can place a object like a skeleton or a heart or brain, they will be digital object. They are created in the through using the 3D software, and you can place that object on the real object like the table or the air or the ground. So it is actually very easy to use that, because you don't really lose the connection with the real world. So this method, augmented reality, is very popular in different multiple fields like the training or a teaching department, or in a medical field. Okay, so where you can teach the students about if you, for example, a teacher wants to teach about the brain. Okay, so earlier how it was there, we had a textbook and we had a image of brain in that textbook, so we have to show that. But in you know that in textbooks we can place only the 2D image. Okay, so you cannot you can see only one side of the brain. You don't know what is happening in the other side. But in an augmented reality, you can place a 3D object, a 3D brain on top of the table, and you can rotate that, and you can see all the sides of the brain, and you get the idea of the size of the brain and the width and the thickness of that brain. Everything you feel like you are seeing a real brain on the table. Okay, so that is the like augmented reality. So augmented reality is we just superimpose, or we just create that object on top of the real object, okay, real world object. So that is the main difference between the virtual reality and augmented reality. Virtual reality is we create a virtual world, and the user get immersed himself to the inside that virtual world. But in an augmented reality, we just create a real a digital environment on the real environment. So that is the augmented reality. So if then we have one more technology, that is the part of the extended technology, that is the mixed reality. Okay, so mixed reality is another the latest technology that is upcoming now. So the augmented reality, you may not be able to communicate with that object. Okay, so that is in a real world, but in a mixed reality, you can communicate with that digital application. So, for example, you may have seen in the Hollywood movies, superhero movies, like one that computer is appearing on the real world, and you can do some open some applications there. Just like that, if you are sitting somewhere and you now we what we do, we just if we want to type something, what we do, we have a real laptop or a computer, and we open the Microsoft Word and type the text in that. Okay, but in a mixed reality, you don't need a laptop. The laptop is also digitally created, and in that laptop or computer screen, you can open that Microsoft Word, and you can type the matter you want. So in a mixed reality, you don't really need the laptop also. You can create that computer digitally, and you can open that application in that digital laptop. So that is the mixed reality. So like I said, these are not very popular right now because of the multiple reasons, and they were, but once these limitations are sorted out, so it will become very popular in the near future. So I will just mention some of the disadvantages which is preventing this virtual reality to become very popular. One is the size of the device. So you know that it is very easy to take mobile phone, and you can play that while walking, or if you are sitting on a park, you can easily pick up your mobile phone and play a game. But you cannot just with the device which I showed you, you cannot take that in the public, and you cannot walk walk on a busy street and play this game. So it is very inconvenient, and you have no idea of what is happening around you, and it is very dangerous. There could be accidents also. So we cannot. It is not user friendly, okay, to take that object into the public places. It is very heavy as well. So if the technology becomes, the device becomes as easy to wear as like these specs, these glasses, then it will become more popular. Okay, so that the size of that device is very this limiting factor in the popular, this becoming virtual reality from becoming very popular. Then the next one is that you will become very uneasy or uncomfortable while if you use that device for a long time. Okay, so some of them gets this dizziness, headaches, and all kind of uncomfortable feelings when they play this virtual reality for a long time. Okay, so I had these issues while I am creating the applications for the virtual reality. I could not wear this more than one this for a couple of minutes. Okay, after that I used to feel very dizziness and uneasiness. So I used to test that device attaching to the laptop. So it is doing some changes and taking that to the device and testing it. These are all very inconvenient. So these are some of the reasons why that virtual reality is not becoming that popular. And the same way, augmented reality also, we need a certain type of smart devices to play this augmented reality in advanced level. So not everyone can afford these high-end mobile devices or the virtual reality devices right now. So that is why it is also the one of the reasons it is not becoming that popular, because of the cost of the devices. So these devices are not very cheap, so that, and it is expensive, so that is the reason why not very many people can afford this. Okay. So I have bought this because mostly because I work, I develop applications in these devices, so that's why. So not everybody will purchase, not everybody is having the devices just like we have the mobile phones right now, but maybe in the future it will become more common, and these games will become very popular. So what I am trying to say is that if you learn to develop these games in this virtual reality application and augmented reality applications now, then that could be a major advantage for you in the future. Okay, so to get a job also, it would be very advantageous for you if you can tell the company that you can develop games in virtual reality and augmented reality, and you have already developed games in those platforms. So that is the I was my intention in this video was to just to give an idea of what is the virtual reality platform and the augmented reality platforms, and I will give more idea on these platforms while we work with Unity. So I hope you understood today's class, and we will continue with our video series in the coming videos. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.